sguardo, sanatemi col riso. Armatevi pupille d'asprissimo rigore, versatevi sul cuore un nembo di faville, ma la pronunzia tardo a ravvivar mio ceso. Feriscami col sguardo, ma sanami col riso. Negli occhi allarmi, io vi preparo il seno. Giovete, che piagarmi, ch'io venga meno, e se a vostri tardi io resterò conquiso. Ferischino quei sguardi, ma sanavi quel riso. That was good.
That was great.
That was good.
That was great.
That was good.
Can you just do Quel riso one more time? Do you want more notes on the
Can you tell me something about this piece? Dani?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course. It's by Claudio Monteverdi, and he is a very fine composer for his operas, but also he wrote a lot of these little songs. This would be like basically a villanella. It's just like kind of very popular style song, and the poetry, while being just about being in love and the power of the eyes to woo or to wound, which is kind of a nice juxtaposition. It's got all these amazing turns, and it's got quite some depth to it in spite of its simplicity of content and of form. Monteverdi finds all these harmonic and texture-wise turns, and it's super virtuosic for the singer and all these amazing flourishes. So it's great to get to play it with somebody who just makes everything sound like the most natural thing ever. It's great.
Feriscami col